Underground Solutions Incorporated, specialists in air excavation for utility potholing and other subsurface explorations. Potholing is the practice of digging a test hole to expose underground utilities to ascertain the horizontal and vertical location of the facility. Historically, potholes were typically dug with backhoes, which are inexact and cumbersome. Even the most skilled backhoe operators run the risk of hitting and damaging the exact utility they are looking for, or worse yet, an unknown utility. Conventional hand digging is a safer option for utility locating, but very labor-intensive and time-consuming. Utility damages can still occur even with hand digging. Vacuum excavation is the preferred method of non-destructive exposure of buried utilities. Air vacuum excavators utilize a high-velocity, supersonic airstream to penetrate, expand, and break up soil without the threat of cutting or damaging a utility. The loosened soil and rocks are removed from the hole with a high-powered vacuum, exposing the utilities safely and quickly. Underground Solutions, Inc., or USI, utilizes the world's most powerful air vacuum excavation system, the VacMaster System 4000, equipped with a turbo diesel John Deere engine. The power and the reliability of this equipment, along with the experience and knowledge of the crews, is what allows USI to deliver an accurate and efficient account of subsurface utility engineering data. To begin a project, plans are reviewed and a USI representative marks the site for USA Dig Alert. Once the utility companies have done their markouts, USI crews secure the area with traffic control and review the markouts with plans in hand. Specific pothole locations are identified and the crews commence work. A 90-pound pneumatic hammer is used to break out any asphalt or concrete. The two-man crews work together in unison, one operating the air lance and the other the vacuum hose. Using air for excavation has several advantages. It is safe for the operator and the utility. It maximizes utility visibility, and it won't damage the road base. A typical pothole is 12 inches by 12 inches with a depth that varies based on the location of the utility. This footprint is much less disruptive to the road surface than a conventional backhoe pothole. Photographs of the exposed utility as well as survey rod measurements are included in a professional report compiled by the crew and office staff. The vacuumed material is stored in a 2 cubic yard rear-mounted collection canister, and since it is dry, it is conveniently reused for backfill at the end of the project. Approved materials are used to restore potholes back to safe and clean condition. Crews then mark out utility findings with paint and survey nails and complete their daily logs. Proprietary software created by USI is then used to compile a professional bound report that includes color photos, measurements, and other precise information relative to each utility location. Air vacuum excavation has proven to be the safest, least disruptive, and cost-effective means of utility exploration. Underground Solutions, Inc. provides state-of-the-art equipment, knowledgeable crews, and professional data second to none. When it comes to utility exploration, the choice is yours. Make your choice, Underground Solutions.